How fast is Coinbase instant withdrawal? Ever felt the burning desire to access your crypto funds immediately? You know, that moment when you need cash fast, but Coinbase withdrawal process seems to be taking forever? We've all been there. The thrill of a quick profit, the need for funds for an emergency, or simply the impatience of wanting your money now. But how fast is Coinbase instant withdrawal really? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. Understanding Coinbase instant withdrawal. What is instant withdrawal? Explain the concept of instant withdrawal on Coinbase. How does it differ from traditional withdrawals? Factors affecting withdrawal speed. Discuss the various factors that can influence how quickly your funds are transferred. These might include withdrawal network. Compare the speeds of different networks like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDC. Coinbase network congestion. Explain how network traffic can impact withdrawal times. Your account verification level. Discuss how account verification can affect withdrawal speeds. Time of day and week. Explore how peak times can influence withdrawal processing. Section 2. Real-world testing. Test Case 1. Small withdrawal. Conduct a live test of a small withdrawal. Record the time from initiation to confirmation. Analyze the results and discuss any factors that may have influenced the speed. Test Case 2. Large withdrawal. Repeat the test with a larger withdrawal amount. Compare the results to the small withdrawal. Discuss any differences in speed and explain why they might occur. Test Case 3. Peak times. Conduct a withdrawal during a peak time, e.g., weekends, holidays. Compare the results to off-peak times. Discuss the impact of network congestion on withdrawal speed. Section 3. User experiences. Gather testimonials, collect and share real-world experiences from Coinbase users. Interview users who have recently used instant withdrawal. Ask about their satisfaction with the speed and any challenges they faced. Showcase their positive or negative experiences to provide a balanced perspective. Section 4. Tips and tricks. Optimize withdrawal speed. Offer practical tips to help viewers improve their withdrawal times. These might include choosing faster networks, avoiding peak times, verifying your account fully, using a trusted wallet, troubleshooting common issues. Provide guidance on how to address common problems that might arise during withdrawals. Recap key findings. Summarize the main points discussed in the video. Offer final thoughts. Share your final thoughts on Coinbase instant withdrawal service. Call to action. Encourage viewers to share their own experiences in the comments. End sharply. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Note, throughout the video, use engaging visuals, animations, and graphics to enhance the viewer experience and make the content more digestible. Consider adding background music and sound effects to create a more immersive atmosphere.